Okay, here are a couple of more tricks that you can do with design intent in Solid Edge. Before we had this dimension locked and this lower dimension was unlocked. And when we make a change, the change happens depending on the direction of the arrow, or if we have a symmetric change that we want to set up. Notice that this symmetry happens without any sort of a symmetrical plane or anything like that. It just happens equally to both sides. But what I really want to do here is set this to 1 and lock the dimension. Now I'm going to unlock this dimension, and now if I change this dimension with the live rules disabled, I'm just getting one hole that moves. I could select multiple holes, so that's a shift select to get the second hole, and then I can get 2 holes to move. And this is all just happening using dimensions and selections. But if I want to be a little more intelligent about this, then I can start using the live rules. The live rules just help me make faster, automatic, and more intelligent selections. So I'll enable the live rules, except I'm going to turn off all of the live rules except this one. Let's turn off a couple of these. And this is the maintain coplanar axes. So if I click now on this, go to make a move, you notice that it moves all 3 of those holes together because the axes of those holes are all lined up on a single plane. If I come back to this edit again, click on the dimension, make sure I'm going in the right direction. Going to select the coplanar live rule and the concentric live rule. And let's see what happens here. All 3 holes move and the fillet faces. Deselecting the concentric just gives me the 3 holes. Deselecting the coplanar axes just gives me 1 hole. And changing the direction arrow makes the angled face move along with the bottom of the part, since the 1-inch dimension is locked. So that's some pretty nice flexibility in my book. These are things you could never coax SolidWorks to do. Being able to change the design intent on the fly in this way can save you a lot of time if you ever have to make an edit that you didn't expect to make.